So this is a Bluetooth speaker like Y200, and this is not turning on.
Bluetooth mode.
Now it is turning on, and this is all touch buttons, but it is not working right now. So it is very low battery, showing low battery. So right now we will check it. Okay, 2 beep.
Power off.
So let's open it, see what is happening. So this is a foam, and you can see there is empty space. So it is a duplicate or like a cheap gadget. So they can clearly give you 2 batteries, but they didn't. They gave you a foam. And this is why battery is not enough, and I don't believe it is 2500 milliamp hour. I don't believe it. So let's proceed further.
I cannot open it because there is 2 hidden screws underneath the cushion. Here you can see I'm pulling this up, and here you can see the hole. You have to open this screw, otherwise you cannot open this speaker. At this point, I can say you that be very careful and gentle. Don't pull like me, okay? Otherwise, you can break the ribbons, the wires, like this is speaker wires or something, okay? Be very gentle and careful. Otherwise, you can make some pretty bad harm to this speaker.
So we can see there is another thing. There is a iron bar here, and it is for make the weight like more. Okay, the PCB is very nice. Obviously, there is no doubt. The PCB is very nice. No fakery here. And the speakers are very nice. No fakery here. Okay. Is it broken or something? Okay, let's see better. There is a microphone here, if you can see. And there is a woofer, right, like this one. It is responsible for the bass. There is no level in this battery pack, nothing. There is just a charging circuit or battery management circuit. Every lithium-ion battery has it. So this is very fake. This battery is fake, and it is not like 2500 like this. Plastic says. So if you remove, if you want to replace the battery, you have to really replace all the things. Okay, so I'm gonna replace this. I will use this circuit here. Okay, be careful, it is very sharp. Okay, you can cut yourself, so it is very sharp, and it is spot welded, so it is not like a using soldering iron like that. It's not. So this is your battery. This is your battery management circuit, and this was the negative side, and this is the positive side. Okay, now we will reuse this, and this. This will not be used. Now let's test the battery here. I think you can see it here. So this battery is pretty good, 4 point something. But I know this battery is not delivering enough current. So when I turning the volume of this thing up, and this is going to be shut itself down. Okay, it is shutting itself down because this battery is not delivering enough current. Voltage is okay, but not delivering enough current. So we will use these batteries. This is Samsung, and this one from Japan. Very good battery indeed. This is the same thing, garbage like this. No writing, nothing. These batteries are very good. I salvaged them from laptop. So maybe I will use one of these or this. Let's check it. So I think this is good enough. 3.8. This is very good. Let's check this one. Okay, almost 2. 1.25. This one is a bit better. So we're not using this to this. So we'll use this one. Next, we have to clean this surface. Okay. We'll use it like this, and then this, just like that. So this is very easy, pretty easy. So we can. First, I want to say this is not safe. This is not safe at all, because a lithium-ion battery cannot handle this type of heat. Okay, so try to avoid if you have a spot welder. As I do not have any spot welder, so I have to rely on soldering. Okay. So I'm doing this because we have to have some rough surface to bind the solder. You can see. So I am trying to get some texture here so that the solder can bind itself in here. Okay, this is pretty hard. So next we will try to solder this into this, and it is pretty hot, remember. Okay, nice. Next here. This bond is not very strong, no? I say, I'm saying it again, this is very dangerous, very dangerous. it reduces the lifespan of this battery. It overheats the battery. It's pretty hot now. Okay, so this is not safe. Now test. Battery circuit is working perfectly because when you test this lead and this lead, you can see the voltage, but there is no voltage because this battery is too low. Next, we have to plug the battery in, and I'm just keeping it here like that. Okay, just to check that it is charging. So here we go. So no light.
Latest songs of TF card.
So it is turning on.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. So it is not charging, but it is turning on. So we have to, what do we have to do? We have to check if it is delivering the charging current. So we have to unplug the battery, and while it is plugged in, check this lead. Okay, it is giving enough current. No, you can see it. It is 5.35 volt, so it is giving current. So now we will plug it in, because this battery is so much discharged, so we have to give it some time to charge it up. It is pretty hot still. So next thing is very easy. We will put some tape and we will use this like the fake foam thing. Then plug the battery in, and there is a screw. Yeah. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you.